Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH and the OMBAR Dash Cam.
Get ready for some serious comparison action. The first category we'll compare is video quality. The PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD, 1080p resolution and a 150-degree super wide-angle lens, capturing every detail of the road.
On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam records videos in front UHD 4K resolution, offering crystal clear footage. If you're a resolution fanatic, the OMBAR Dash Cam might be your best bet. But if you're looking for solid FHD quality with a wider field of view, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH won't disappoint.
Moving on to night vision capabilities, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH comes equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, providing superior night vision. The OMBAR Dash Cam features super night vision technology with its NT96670 chipset and GC4653 sensor, promising clearer footage in low light conditions. Both dash cams have impressive night vision capabilities, but the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH takes the edge with its dedicated infrared lights. Now let's talk about GPS and app control.
The PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to precisely pinpoint your vehicle's location, speed, and routes on a map in real time.
It also has a user-friendly GPS player for easy navigation and tracking. On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam offers built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi with app control. You can easily control the dash cam, view, download, or share videos right from your phone.
If you're all about precise GPS tracking, the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH has got you covered. But if you crave that seamless app control experience, the OMBAR Dash Cam might be your new best friend. Last but not least, let's talk about the price.
The PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH is priced at $189, offering a great bang for your buck.
On the other hand, the OMBAR Dash Cam is priced at $199, just a tad higher.
Is the 4K resolution and app control worth the extra bucks? That's for you to decide.
Now let's take a look at what customers have to say about these dash cams.
Well, that wraps up our epic showdown between the PRUVEEO Dash Cam D90-4CH, the OMBAR Dash Cam.
Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs and budget.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why.
The product links are in the description.
Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart, the channel that helps you buy with confidence.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.